today's video is all about how I ate for 7 days on a carnivore diet while being snowed in. We are on day 6 of being snowed in with a 3-year-old. That's really fun. We've gotten out a little bit as they've cleared the roads, but I live in the South and it's really not a good idea to have snow in the South. We're not very prepared for it. So everything closes and it's quite an adventure. So stay tuned to see 6 days of meals on a carnivore diet. Let me know down below in the comments, do you like winter or is it just for the birds? Out here at the playground and it is so cold. It's like 30 degrees, 35 maybe. And it's supposed to snow tonight. So we are trying to get the best we're trying to enjoy before we get stuck in the house and it's gonna snow. So my little man loves the playground. He is always goofing around. He's so cute. Me and Mom got cappuccinos in for hair cups at Starbucks. So great. We're on our first walk of the day. It's pretty crazy. What do you think, Gigi? She hates the cold. So do I. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Your feet controls. It was not doing.
Woo! I love to make these lamb meatballs. They're just salt and pepper, paprika, and garlic. Just roll them up and bake them for about 15 minutes. We walked over to the store and they had some stuff on sale. So exciting. We love walking to the store from our house. I love to make lamb shanks. I just put them in the Instant Pot and cook them for about an hour. You can use broth or just water, and you just put them in the Instant Pot for about 60 minutes. So delicious. Look at this, falling apart. Lamb shanks also have delicious and nutritious bone marrow inside of them. Look at that. This is like liquid gold. I have an Alfredo recipe here on my channel. I make that for my husband and often put it on baked fish. Definitely elevates a dish and makes it seem gourmet. Another favorite is this goat cheese meatloaf. These are all the ingredients that you need. Just goat cheese, garlic, also Italian seasoning, eggs, and you just bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes and it comes out super delicious and moist. The cheese adds some extra fat and look at that, just so yummy. I made this all the time. You can find my video. It is goat cheese meatloaf on my channel here. If you make this, you won't be sorry. It is a great way to change up your routine if you're tired of just eating ground beef. Add some goat cheese and so yummy. This is another idea for you. This is what my husband likes. It's curry. So you just use curry paste, some chicken breast, and some cream. So just put those all together, chop up your chicken, put your curry paste, bring it to a boil. You just stir it up and get it all to come to a boil, and then it's ready. So it's just kind of an interesting way to have curry. This is a delicious way to make chicken breast more delicious and change up your routine. Look what came in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this like all week. So pretty. These are so helpful when you're starting carnivore. This one is seriously my favorite. Tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Definitely got to get this. If you're starting keto or carnivore, it helps you with that keto flu. Avoid those yucky feelings. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. It's called a French omelet. You just stir it around a little bit and then you fold it over and it stays custardy in the middle. Make sure and watch my video about this. It's delicious. Then you just transfer it over to your plate and you can see how it stays soft and supple in the middle. It is so wonderful. I eat this almost every day. This is another meal that I love. It's super quick and easy. It's hot dogs. This is Applegate dogs with just spicy brown mustard. Just boil them and that makes them taste so yummy, and it's an easy meal without cooking much. This yummy shrimp cocktail, you just have these shrimp are already done, and then you just melt butter with paprika, garlic, and salt and pepper, and that's it. Just yummy, yummy. For my husband's favorite, filet mignon. It is super tender and delicious. Cook it in a cast iron skillet with some butter or ghee will prevent it from burning, and I try to keep it about medium rare. And here you can see some pink on it. Looks pretty yummy. Here's another piece. Okay, so now we're going into the trampoline park. It's really loud in there, so I won't film much in there, but anyway, that's a lot of the things we do because we have a membership here. So we go to the trampoline park to get our wiggles out. Another thing I made are these bone-in chicken thighs. They have garlic, paprika, cumin. I put them in the air fryer for about 20 minutes on 350. They look so delicious. Went to Aldi, got some carnivore stuff, eggs, cheese, yogurt. I also got some mussels. This is lamb chops and ground lamb, also some butter. One of our favorite meals, we get McDoubles plain or double cheeseburgers plain. I really can't tell the difference. And then I just throw the bun away. And this is just so great because you can just give it to your child and they can hold it. Oh, okay, this is a McDouble because it doesn't have 2 pieces of cheese. And then they can hold it without the mess. So yummy. Somebody else loves it too. It's ground beef with eggs. This is something I make all the time. It's really yummy. Another day, my sister came by for sledding in the backyard with her kids. It was so fun. She has 2 kids, and Noah loves his cousins. This gives you an idea of what our street looks like when you're driving down. And it's been days and days like this, 5 days like this. No end in sight. Monday supposed to be 50, but today and tomorrow are 20. Look at these beautiful lamb chops. They're from Aldi. They're from Australia. Look at that fat cap. Delicious. I got a salt and pepper. Just turn them over, cook them in my cast iron pan. They are so wonderful. You can get my pan down below in the description box. Look at that delicious pink center. These are scrumptious. This is a good snack if you're on the go. Just turkey pepperoni. They are not the cleanest, but you can also get the Applegate brand. It's better. These are really yummy and they're shelf stable, so you can keep them in the car. One of my family's favorite recipes is these chicken wings. They have garlic, paprika, and salt and pepper, and they are so yummy in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. I also have a video about this, so make sure and Google that right here on YouTube. I've been making this amazing seafood stew. It's just chicken broth, seafood, saffron, paprika, garlic. It is so delicious, and then you can add butter at the end. It is so wonderful and gives you so many nutrients. You can put Parmesan cheese on the top. This will be a family favorite in no time. This reminds me of when we used to live in San Francisco and eat lots of seafood every day. Thank you so much for watching my video all about what I ate in the carnivore diet during a snow week. I hope that you got a lot out of it. Please get my carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages, all about how to do the carnivore diet. It is so helpful, and you will get so many meal plans, shopping lists, recipes, and tips about dealing with family. So please subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend. Thank you so much.